Supper dishes are drying on the rack. The sun's gone slipping behind the black. Silhouette pines on a painted sky, and the first little stars are coming alive. You can hear the crickets tuning up like a front porch band in the summer dust. The day's long gone, but it ain't quite through. There's still a little magic left to do. Lightning bugs in the Alabama night, floating through the fields in the pale moonlight. Tiny little lanterns dancing in the breeze, hanging tiny galaxies out among the trees. Running through the grass till the fireflies take flight, laughing like the world is gonna be alright. If heaven's got a backyard, I bet it looks just right, like lightning bugs in the Alabama night. Barefoot footprints in the cooling dirt, and mason jar treasure and grass-stained shirts. Every glowing blink is a brand new chase, a little bit of wonder you can never replace. The old swing creaks and the screen door slams. Somewhere down the road a dog still barks, and for a little while the whole world slows to watch those little lights come and go. Lightning bugs in the Alabama night, floating through the fields in the pale moonlight. Tiny little lanterns dancing in the breeze, hanging tiny galaxies out among the trees. Running through the grass till the fireflies take flight, laughing like the world is gonna be alright. If heaven's got a backyard, I bet it looks just right, like lightning bugs in the Alabama night. Will be all grown up, trading bicycles for pickup trucks. But tonight they're racing through the dark with 1,000 tiny suns inside a jar. And maybe that's why we stand and smile, watching from the porch for a little while. Because the years move fast, but this moment stays burning bright in 100 different ways. Lightning bugs in the Alabama night, floating through the fields in the pale moonlight. Tiny little lanterns dancing in the breeze, hanging tiny galaxies out among the trees. Running through the grass till the fireflies take flight, laughing like the world is gonna be alright. If heaven's got a backyard, I bet it looks just right, like lightning bugs in the Alabama night. Crickets sing, the porch light glows, the summer breeze keeps rolling slow, and the stars above shine soft and bright like lightning bugs in the Alabama night.